Servant is defined as a person who performs duties for others, especially a person employed in a house on domestic duties or a personal attendant. A slave is defined as a person who is the legal property of another and is forced to obey them. The beast system recognized that a servant and a slave is not the same. Their own words testify against them. The scripture said a servant the Canaanites would become to their brethren. Therefore, if the other species of mankind believe the indigenous black people are the curse of Ham, why did you enslave the indigenous black people when the scripture said a servant they should become to their brethren? By the way, the other species of mankind are not the indigenous black people's brethren. It is time for the people to sit their religious leaders down and ask what wickedness is coming from their pulpit.